Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's Friday, May the 17th, 2024, and I've already solved one regular puzzle, the Three Stars Sudoku. So two puzzles remain: the Killer Sudoku and the Four Stars Sudoku. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But right now, I will continue with the Four-Star Sudoku. And news of today, yes, I've heard on the news, the Gaza Pier is ready for use. Yeah, the food can be transported overseas, but let me tell you, the Israelis don't want this, so they want to control this. So I think food will not be arrived at time. Yeah, the people, the Palestinians, are suffering. Hunger is there. So enough about the war. Let me continue. Four-star Sudoku number 8551. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. Four-star Sudoku has always 24 printed digits. It's kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for four stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. All right. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 1s. We have here 1 2 2s. We have here 2 3s. We have here 3 4s. We have here 3 5s. 2 3 6s. 2 3 7s. 2 8s. And 1 9. So it's divided. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the 8 in this column, third column, 8 in the second column? So the first column, the only place level 8 over there. 4 missing numbers now. In the first column, one of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these two marks. So the 6 in the first column could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 6 in this row. No 6 there, 6 over there. 3 missing numbers now in the first column. One of the missing numbers is 4. Well, we have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in this box. So the 4 in the first column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in the first column. 4 numbers. 1 2 3 4 5 is missing. 6 7 8 9 is missing. 5 and a 9. 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in the middle row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 5 goes there. Wow. Then 7 in this row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row. Only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, no 1 goes there. 5, 5. Then. Let me think. Need a 5 here. How about the 4? No. Need a 3 here. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. How about? Need a 3 here. Need a 9 here. Need a 2. And I need a 7 here. Yeah. 6, 6, 6. 6. Come on. Thinking. 4. 3. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left. The 6 should be here. Or there, we have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 4. 6. 4. 6. 4. Need a 5 here. 5. Oh, need a 1 here. 5. 1. Yeah. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left. 1 should be here. Or there, we have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be there. Need a 5 here. Come on. 1. 1. Okay. 1. Yeah, thinking. 4, 6. Yeah. 5. 4. 5. 3. So I need a 3 here. Yeah. 3 there. 9 there. Ay. Thinking. 8. 8. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers in 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 in these 3 boxes. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 in those 3 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. From that row, the only place left for 8 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this row. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there in this row. Here or there, we see another 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. Alright, now in 4. Need a 5 here. 5, 9, 4. 4. Need a 9, need a 5, 4 and a 9, okay. How about 3? Yeah. 7. 7. So, need a 5 here. Ay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is number 5. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. Here can be 5, we have 5 in this row, no 5 there. So the 5 in this column could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright. 1, yeah. 3 missing numbers now in this column. One of the missing numbers is 1. Here can be 1, we have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. Here can be 1, we have 1 in the first row, no 1 there. So the only place left 1 should be there then. So 2 numbers left. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 goes there. Alright, so we have a 2 there. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Well. 4. Yeah. Four. Thinking. Need a one here. Yeah. One in this row. Oh, wait, we have a pair. The 1 and a 6 in this row. The 1 and a 6 in that row. So the row between, the middle row, the only two places left for the 1 and 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 1, 1. So we have a 6 there. And we have a 6 here. Okay. No. Let me see. Well, in the middle row, we need an 8. These two boxes can be an 8. We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these two boxes. So the 8 could be here or there. We have an 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. All right. Do we have all the 8s? No. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only two places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this last column, 8 in the column next on that column, no only two places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 8. Okay. How about the number 6 there? Need 6 there. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. What 4, 8, 6. 2, 3, 7. Well. 7. 2, 3, 7. No 3. Need a 3 here. Yeah. Need a 5 there. 5. Need a 4 here. 4. Need a 4 here. Come on. 4. 5, 6, 7. I'm thinking. 1, 2, 9, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these two boxes. Here can be 2 because we have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. So the only place left the 2 in this column should be there. The 2 here. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places left the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Okay, we have a 2. Need a 2 here, need a 2 there. Well, we have a pair. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 7. We have 2 and a 7 in this row, so no 2 and a 7 in these two boxes. 2 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. That means 1 is left in this row for the mark. 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing here. So we have a 9 in this column, third column 9 in the first column, so the column between second column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, middle row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Need a 9 here, okay. And I need a 9 here. Need a 9. Okay, 9. Need a 6, and 3. Need a 7 here. 7, Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 3, 7, 9. 3, 7, 9, 3, 7, 9, 3, 7, 9. And look, we have 3 and a 7 in this row. No 3 and a 7 in this box. 3 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 9 then. Okay. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, last column. So the column 3, now only 2 places left. 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 last row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the master. 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So the column 3 now only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the third row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, 3 is missing here. 3 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for number 1 is missing. The 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. 1 box left in the first row for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. So here we have 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the middle column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Here we have a 3. Here we have a 3 that is in the middle row. We need a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. Because here can be 3. We have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. So the 3 could be here or there. We see another 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. Well, we have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this column, third column for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there, 2 and the 7, and we have a 2 in the last row. No 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So now 1 box left in the middle row for number 1, the 2 is missing. Then let me see, 1 box left in the second row for number 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column. There are only 2 places left, and 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 7 and the 3. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 3 then. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 8, and 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Finish in 19 minutes. 1 minute quicker than the previous Sudoku. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. So well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the last regular puzzle, the killer Sudoku. So then, bye-bye for now.